Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Friends, Samsung Galaxy S25 series smartphones is all set to make its grand debut on January 22nd, 2025. Well, this is a typical of Samsung's year phone launch. So today we are diving into an exciting world of Samsung flagship Android smartphones. So buckle up, there is a lot more to unpack today. So let's get started. Friends, according to the leaks and the rumors, it is nearly confirmed that Samsung Galaxy S25 series smartphones is all set to launch on January 22nd, 2025. And this year we are expecting 4 models in the series: the standard S25 series, the larger S25 Plus, and the ultra powerful S25 Ultra. And along with that, we are also expecting S25 Slim, which is designed to compete with Apple iPhone 17 Air. If we talk about the design, then visually S25 series is expected to have a sleek and refined design with more modern looks compared to the S24 series smartphones. And S25 series might come with a curved display this year, which is expected with minimalistic bezels and potentially with new color palettes. And the Beast S25 Ultra is expected to have a slightly more rounded design than its predecessor S24 Ultra. Talking about the display of the S25 series smartphones, then as always, as Samsung does, all the variants will feature a top-notch Super AMOLED panel up to 6.9 inches, potentially with adaptive refresh rates for smooth scrolling and power efficiency, packed in an aluminum frame and the titanium frame for the ultra flagship model. And most importantly, the Galaxy S25 series smartphones is rumored to be powered by the blazing fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is built upon the 3nm process mode, the fastest mobile processor till date. And it is not a wonder that this series will come up with the ample amount of RAM of 12GB across all the variants, but a 16GB variant is also expected in the ultra flagship model. Talking about the camera, then Samsung is known for its impressive camera system, and S25 series is no exception. S25 Ultra is rumored to be headlined with a groundbreaking 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, which is a major update from a 12MP ultra-wide in S24 series, and a 50MP telephoto camera will also feature on S24 Ultra. Friends, till date we have seen that in this range of smartphones, the most impressive thing is the Samsung One UI. So this year also Samsung is expected to launch its Android 15 based One UI 7 user interface packed with full artificial intelligence features. Because the featured processor Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset is also built upon the full AI intelligence capabilities. Talking about the battery, then battery is also expected to be above 5000 mAh. And according to some leaks, it is also expected that in this series of smartphones, there will be a model that will be of less than 7mm thickness. So how does Samsung manages to bring such a slim design with all the features will be a matter worth paying attention to. And at last, it is also rumored that Samsung will do an enhancement in its devices ecosystem with a more tighter connection between its devices like phones, wearables and tablets. Talking about the price, then in this series of smartphones, the models will be priced between 84,999 to 134,999. Here it is important to note that all the leaks, rumors and details about the Samsung Galaxy S25 series smartphones may differ than the actual details because the actual smartphone has not yet been launched. So it will be interesting to see how Samsung is poised once again to set bars for the Android flagship smartphone with its cutting-edge specs and innovative features. So stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch at January 22nd, 2025. So that's it for this video, friends. I'll be uploading more such videos. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.